Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and today we're going to have a series of videos that goes into the technology department as we're going to talk about a few things. Android. Android is the most popular operating system out there. It is, of course, dominant in phones and tablets, and of course, it comes with a few questions that came out yesterday. I was talking that from now on, every month, I'll talk about the security updates for Android. And unfortunately, not all phones update to the latest version immediately. Google Pixel phones are the first one to do so. In general, if you have another phone, like a Samsung phone, so on, you're probably still like me on the June security updates. The July ones will arrive in a few weeks from now. So there's a lot of questions that came through that have to do with this and about security of your phone and about what is it, is it okay and safe to use a phone that has an outdated Android version, and how dangerous is it compared to Windows, for example, if it's out of date. So we're going to answer all of that today because we're going to talk about different things. And the first thing that I wanted to show you is how the weirdness of Android is. The most popular version of Android right now is Android 10. Now, Android 10 is now at end of support. The last security updates were in March. So you kind of see that it's very bizarre that an outdated operating system is dominant. And this would be like if Windows 10 would be end of support but still more popular than every other Windows version. It would be kind of a nonsense in the Windows sphere, that's for sure. And of course, the question arises is, since March there's no more security updates for Android 10. Am I in danger continue using my phone? And this shows you also another thing, is that people do not want to buy a phone every 2 years. People hang on to their phones. So 23.3% of Windows, not Windows, but of Android 10. The second most popular is Android 13 at 22.4, Android 12 at 17.8, and Android 11 at 17.8. 11 and 12 are close together. And of course, there's still some on older versions like Pi, version 9, 6.76, and so on. So this actually shows you how weird it is on the sphere of Android. Android 11 is still supported, but will be probably getting end of support sometime. I would guess maybe next year. So I was looking and trying to find an official date. I didn't find a date, but they all expire at some point. And the manufacturers aren't that great also at supporting. There's kind of a distortion in supporting devices for security updates. And the problem with that is that they want you to buy a phone. They don't want you to continue using an old phone. And it shows in what happens here. A lot of people still, almost a quarter of all the people on Android are on 10 unsupported. And this should not be. Honestly, it does increase your security risks. But you'll see that on the videos that I'm going to talk about, we're going to talk about how to stay safe on a phone that's not supported anymore. And also, we're going to talk about, the little things that go with all of that. And I think you're going to find it interesting for sure, because Android is popular. And I know that a lot of people here are on Android. On the Apple side, of course, the same thing can happen with iOS. But on the Apple side, people that have an iPhone usually are more inclined to adopt a newer phone than Android. And so that distortion is still there, but it's not as bad on the Apple side as people move on more to the next generation. And also there's a few things about iPhones that make them more secure, even when they are out of date. And that also will kind of mix it in with the Android here. So imagine that. The most popular Android version right now for June 2023 is an outdated version of Android, version 10. So if you're on 10 on your phone, or if you have older than 10, you are unsupported. Your security updates are not there. There are security flaws in your phone, that's for sure. And we're going to talk about the implications coming up. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.